Let's go on the other side. A little quiet.
It's usually loud.
Good movement though. All right side here, over here. Be a little closer. It's usually really loud. All right. Stabilizer here. Bring it closer. Breathe in, out. Wow. Ooh. All right, come back here, lay your back. And we're going to stretch out our leg. We're first going to do the pelvis adjustment. So I want you to, hold on. Hold on. Squeeze. Tighter.
It already popped.
It already popped?
I felt
and
it
separate
internally.
out. Push out. Really?
Yeah.
Goodness. Got to move that pelvis a little bit. Okay. Okay, I'm going to stretch the hip joint.
Am I supposed to move that way?
Yeah. Okay.